don't they?
Yeah, I just want to walk the birds. What's that?
Noah?
Yeah, it's the birds that we were here. Yeah, you're right. Absolutely birds. Hey, Wade, come up here with your camera. What? Right here.
Down you go.
Put your wrist straps on if you got one. Put your wrist straps on with that camera. You don't want to drop it.
Fine.
Okay.
That's awesome. Isn't it?
Look at that. Blowhole right on the top of it. You can reach down and touch them. Yeah.